Namaste everyone. Myself Yogacharya Tanushree Rawat and with me Yogacharya Ashish Rawat. Today we are going to show you how to practice diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, it's also called abdominal breathing or deep breathing. It's a natural sign for our brain that our body is relaxing. Okay, it's very helpful for our parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, your metabolism, your digestive system, all gonna be relaxed in this process. Okay, also if you're having insomnia, means you find hard to sleep, anxiety, stress, tension, this breath, awareness of this breath will be very beneficial. Okay, so we will do three practices here. Okay, practice 1, practice 2 and practice 3. In practice 1, firstly we are showing it how to do while sitting position. So when you do while sitting position, just simply you can place your palm on your belly and with inhalation lift your navel up. With exhalation, your navel down. Okay. Inhaling up, exhaling down. See, diaphragm here, our diaphragm is here. Diaphragm is the cavity or muscle which separates our abdomen and our respiratory system. So what we are doing here, we are using our diaphragm to breathe. So with inhalation, slightly diaphragm down and abdomen fully up. Expand more. And with exhalation, abdomen fully in. Okay, so this is the practice 1. As I said, this is a natural way of breathing, means naturally your body knows that we have to do in this type of breath so that we will get relaxed. But due to stress or poor posture or obesity, we are not capable to do that, and because of that we have lots of physical and mental issues come. Okay, now practice 2. In this practice 2, you can simply lie down in Shavasana. Please, Ashish. Fully relax yourself completely. Now, it's optional. You can place your right palm above the navel, left down to the navel. Now again, with inhalation, lift your navel up. In the center of your navel, just bring your awareness and lift your navel up with inhale. With exhalation, slowly down, completely in. So this breath will be slow, deep, long, and try to make it effortless. Okay, not like, okay, try to make it slowly and deeply. With inhale, navel up. With exhale, navel down. Okay, some people who having shallow breathing or short breather, if somebody is, so they find difficulty to bring the awareness in the abdomen. So what you can do that time, just get a book or something heavy, you can place it on the abdomen and then just bring your awareness to your abdomen region. Automatically it will increase the awareness of this area. Inhaling and exhaling. Deeper inhale and exhale. Okay, so this way you can practice. Now third way to practice this is completely lie down in the abdomen side. Okay, you can make a position in asana, it's called Makarasana position, where your heel facing to each other and toes facing out and your forehead is resting on your palms. Now bring your awareness to your lower back in this area. Because of the gravity, you're automatically feeling the diaphragmatic breathing here. Just you can place your hand here and just feel the breath. If you're doing to someone, you can just help them to bring the awareness. You can use your hand and you can place there. So they will feel more awareness in this area. or if you're doing by yourself, just keep your awareness in the abdomen side. You will feel more long deep breath is happening in your abdomen. It also help if you're having low back pain or low back issue. It also help to relax in this disease. Also, if you're having tighten hips or tension in the hips, it's also relax it. Okay. Also, it's very good for your reproductive system and for your excretory system. Okay, so quite few minutes you can stay and then you can come up. Okay, now please you can come to the sitting. So I shows you 3 methods of practicing diaphragmatic breathing. Hope it will be helpful to you. If you have any questions, means please practice today this breath, and if you have any question you can ask me, you can DM me on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or you can ask directly on YouTube. Okay, so namaste, thank you so much, thank you Ashishi, thank you.